Want to know how to make captions for YouTube fast? Well then, keep watching. Hi, I'm Petra, and if we haven't met yet, I help entrepreneurs to grow their businesses fully organically with YouTube. So if that sounds interesting, consider subscribing. Alright, so let's talk about captions. Now, first things first, why are captions important? Well, it's pretty simple. Captions help you to rank on YouTube. Now, what does that mean? Basically, it means that YouTube understands, or YouTube's algorithm understands what your video is about and can therefore suggest your videos to viewers. So basically, this way it's even easier for you to be found by your ideal viewers or your ideal customers on the top of YouTube search. So if you want to do it fast, I would highly recommend you a tool that I discovered recently that is called Happy Scribe. Alright, so here we are, and first things first, you can try out Happy Scribe for free, and then every hour costs 12 euros. You can register, and basically once you're registered, you will see the options. So what do you want to do? So in this case, we are looking for subtitles for YouTube. So we are going to go ahead and click it. Now Happy Scribe asks you to upload a file. So you're gonna want to go ahead and connect it to your YouTube channel. All right, so you're gonna choose the right account. And there you go, now it's connected. So let's say that I want to get the subtitles for my latest video, how to become comfortable filming yourself. By the way, if you haven't checked it out, make sure to go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna select that, and now the video is uploading. There we go, here's our video, and then we click submit. Here you just have to fill in some information before you can go ahead. Let's say that we are working in marketing communications in our small business. Okay, now the transcription is in process. Also, in the meantime, if you're enjoying the video so far, please make sure to give me a like and let me know in the comments. Are you going to use Happy Scribe? Do you like it so far, or do you maybe already use some other software? Alright, so our file is ready. So let's open the dashboard, and here we can open our file. So let's have a look. So now you want to go ahead and check for any mistakes, although I have to say from my experience, the software is pretty accurate. There might be certain words that you might be using, certain names or whatever that the software might not recognize, but otherwise it's already pretty good. But still, I would recommend to quickly check it before you continue. Also, you always have the option to request proofreading. So if you really don't have time to check and you just want to get it done, then you may totally skip this step and have a professional proofread it for very little money. So that's also something that you can do. And if you decide to go ahead, maybe invest a couple of minutes to review the text, then you can simply go ahead and download it. And that's pretty much it. The great thing about Happy Scribe is that you can download not only the subtitles, but also the video with the subtitles. So what I do is that I download both, and I use, for instance, this video for Instagram or Facebook, where again I know that many people are not necessarily watching with the sound on, and this way I can definitely catch their attention easier. So this is also something that I think is a total add-on and total benefit from Happy Scribe. So I'm going to go ahead and download my subtitles. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. I will click this little button here on the video that I want to add the subtitles to, and scroll down. Okay, here you see upload subtitles with timing. Hit continue, and here you can simply select the subtitles, and that's pretty much it. So now you can hit save, and now that you go to your video and turn on the subtitles, there they are. Alright, so there you go, my best practice of how to make captions for YouTube fast. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions regarding this topic, but also maybe some other things around YouTube or online business, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.